Okay, now it's your turn to draw a circle. Can you try to draw a circle?
Okay, circle, circle.
Angel, not like that. Like this. Here, give me the scissors. There, like this. Perfect circle.
Oh, Mom, you're amazing! Mr. Alet, look, my circle. Mr. Alet.
4 plus 4 equals 2. Is it A, B, C, or D? What do you guys think? Angel, what do you think of the answer?
Hey!
Yeah, that's correct. Good job. Next question.
Not like that. Back straight, like that. No, nice and straight. Yes, up, straight, back like this.
Angel? Is that you?
Hello.
Oh, Angel, you've grown. You look so much like your mom. Come in, please. Hello, Angel. Morning.
Hi, kids. Follow me. Good morning. How about Okay, that's good. Up next, we have our best student, Angel.
These are your scissors. You can try your best, okay?
Okay.
Helping our kids grow means letting them make mistakes and also letting them earn and own their success. Let's work together.
It's okay, okay.
Come on, Angel, you can keep trying. Try your best. Mom, I really don't understand this.
Maybe I should ask Mr. Ali to help you tomorrow?
No, it's okay. I can ask for help myself. So proud of you.
Help your child know when and how to ask for help. Good job, Mom.